Hey, it's Miss Alana here, working on math, getting smarter and smarter and more amazing every day. Yes, just like you. So this is the video for today's assignment. Now, before I start with what you need to do, thumbs up if you wrote these notes down in your notebook. All right, so if not, make sure you find that. I'll go ahead and link it because I just figured out how to link the video at the end. Yes, learn something new every day. So I found out how to do that. So if you have not written those notes down or if you need to refer back to that, it'll be in the video. No, at the end of this video. All right, they're making noise in the hallway. I'm going to close the door real quick. All right, get your graphic notebook while I go close this door. All right, so get your graphic notebook. You need your pencil. All right, are you ready? Alrighty. Now, again, make sure that you have completed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday warm-up. All right, so you can get ahead. So tomorrow you can get straight to the active expression and get started on that. All right, now, so bam, what standard are we working on? We are working on writing and interpreting expressions. Can you see it? So you can't see it, but go ahead and read your notes. What is an expression? I will read it up here. An expression is a combination of numbers and operation signs, the addition symbol, the subtraction symbol, multiplication symbol, and the division symbol. What time is it? Math time! All right. Now, we have our keywords for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing. Check out the chart. Thumbs up if you have your chart in front of you. All right, so now here is some practice. In my hand, bam, I have cards. There are, can you guess how many cards there are? There are 25 cards in here. Now, I'll have this in the classroom tomorrow for you to be able to check your work and get it done today so you can check your work tomorrow, because if not, then you're going to have to catch up and get that done. Alrighty, now, I'm going to show you the first card. And what I want you to do, so flip the page. It could be behind the page of those notes on a new page. Some of you all are wasting a lot of paper with doing the warm-ups on separate sheets. Make sure you separate those, okay? So here, right here, what do we have? 6 more than 9. Now, what I want you to do is write the expression, the numerical expression, that means number expression, that goes with that. So you look at your keywords, more than, and look at your handy-dandy chart. I'm going to look at mine. Do you see it in the addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? It's in the addition box, which means more than, it signifies addition. So I'm going to show you the answer for this one. So the way I would write it is 9, the addition symbol, and then 6. And if you look at it, it's not going to be 6 plus 9 because it's 6 more than 9, which means you have to put that 9 first. See, it's 6 more than 9. If I flipped it around, if I said 9 more than 6, then it would be flipped around, okay? All right, so write that down, pause it if you need to, and then write the answer down either beside or underneath it. Now, I'm not going to show you all the answers, all right? Bam, done with that. Pause the video if you need to. All right, let me pick the next one. Oh, here, how about that one? Write that down. What does it say? The total of 14 and 11. Someone's at the door. They're going to have to wait. All right, the total of 14 and 11. Think about your keywords. What do you see? The total of. And look back at your chart. If you don't already know, is that adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? And write that down. Now, if you notice, let me go back to this one. We are just writing the expression. They just keep knocking at the door. If you notice, I did not answer. I did not solve for this, okay? We're just writing the numerical expression. So you don't have to solve for it. Don't solve for it. Just do it like that, okay? So no answers. Just translate the words into numbers. Make a numerical expression. So there's number 2. All right. Let me look. What's the next one I want you to do? Bam, right here. 11 multiplied by 4. Write that down. All right, the next one. Bam. The sum of 8 and 2. She's just going to keep banging on the door? Oh, no. You better wait. Oh, no. You need to wait. That is like Cheyenne trying to come in here. She She left the room because I was like, you need to be quiet while I make this video. And she left the room instead of just being in here, being quiet. So now she's just going to be locked out the room. All right, the sum of 8 and 2. All right, the next one, let me look at my stack. And, oh, do that one. 12 shared by 4 equally. 12 shared by 4 equally. So think, is that adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? Go ahead and write your numerical expression for that one. Bam. The next one. 9 times 5. 9 times 5. Now, don't just write the answer. I want you to write the words and the numerical expression, okay? You got to do them both together. All right, the next one. 11 plus 0. 11 plus 0. Bam. Here's the next one. The difference of 7 from 18. The difference of 7 from 18. Here's the next one. 15 increased by 3. 15 increased by 3. All right, next. 3 fewer than 6. 3 fewer than 6. You ready for the next one? Now, are these getting easier and easier? It's so easy. Just look for your keywords. Look at that chart. 10 combined with 7. 10 combined with 7. All right, next. The product of 6 and 3. The product of 6 and 3. And next, cards are falling. All right, the next one, let's see. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4. Again, don't write the answer down. Convert this to a numerical expression, okay? 12 minus 4. The next one, 10 partitioned into 2 equal groups. 10 partitioned into 2 equal groups. Next, we have 5 subtracted from 13. 5 subtracted from 13. You ready for the next one? 19 decreased by 9. 19 decreased by 9. All right, next we have 18 split into 3 equal groups. 18 split into 3 equal groups. All right, so how many did we just do? I don't even know. We did a whole bunch. All right, so make sure you're done with that. Oh, we're not done. We are not done because I have some more in my hand, but these are a little bit more challenging because they have 2 operations in each one, okay? 2 operations. Let me see which one I want you to do. All right, do that one. Multiply 7 and 2, then subtract 9. So write that down. Multiply 7 and 2, then subtract 9. Now, for this one, I'm going to show you how to do it, all right? So, I have 2 ways to do it. So, where it says multiply 7 and 2, that means 7 times 2, right? Then subtract 9, so it's 7 times 2 minus 9. Now, I wrote it a different way with the parentheses, 7 times 2 parentheses minus 9. Now, really, you don't have to do it this way because, again, we're still following the order of operations. If I do the order of operations right here, what do we do first? We do the multiplication first anyway. But I went ahead and did that so you can see how it's separated. So we're going to do 7 times 2 minus 9. So you can copy both of my answers, or you could just do this one up top, okay? Or if you want to do that one, since it helps your brain a little bit better, that's fine too. All right? Are we good on that? Are you ready for the next one? All right. The sum of 4 and 1 multiplied by 3. And sorry that got cut off. I have to put it on the next line. The sum of 4 and 1 multiplied by 3. All right. The next one. 20 decreased by the total of 7 and 5. 20 decreased by the total of 7 and 5. Now, I'm going to give you a clue for this one. Hold on. The other one. Okay, hold on. Rewind a little bit. So for this one, you need to put parentheses somewhere, okay? And the last one we just did, there are parentheses in this one. I'm not going to tell you where, but figure out which one you should do first. Put parentheses on that. And this one, figure out what you need to do first, parentheses on that, okay? All right, the next one. 5 more than 8 times 2. 5 more than 8 times 2. So this one also has a parentheses. All right. So it does matter where you put the numbers, okay? The next one, the product of 8 and 4 added to 10. The product of 8 and 4 added to 10. So you can write this without the parentheses, so you don't need the parentheses, because if we follow the order of operations, you would do that one right first. But if you want to put parentheses on which ones to show you which one, that's fine too. All right, we have 2 to go, almost done. The total of 4 and 2 times the total of 5 and 1. I'll read that again. The total of 4 and 2 times the total of 5 and 1. Now for this one, you have 2 sets of parentheses. So you have a parentheses around 2 numbers in operation and a parentheses around 2 numbers in an operation, and there's a symbol in between. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3. 3 operations in this one, okay? And then 2 sets of parentheses. But it's still so easy. Just look at your keywords. And the last one, the product of 3 and 2 subtracted from the sum of 10 and 6. I'll read that again. The product of 3 and 2 subtracted from the sum of 10 and 6. So this one's kind of similar to the last one. Remember, use your keywords. There are 2 sets of parentheses. There are 4 numbers in all, 3 operation symbols in all, and 2 sets of parentheses, okay? I'll give you a clue. You should have a parentheses, a number, a symbol, a number, a parentheses, another operation symbol, a parentheses, a number, an operation symbol, a number, close parentheses. So just break it down, okay? All right, so we are done with that. Bam, remember, get that done. If you didn't find the notes, I'll link it right here. Practice your multiplication. I'm going to try to link it right here too. Practice how to multiply. We're done for the day. Make sure you can still add solar eclipse facts. You can either write it in your notebook or put it in the comments on that video. I'm going to try to link all those videos right here. All right, so we are done. Get everything done. Remember, tell your parents, check Class Dojo points, not the points. Check the messages, because I am going to start holding your points hostage, and keep them until your parents check those messages. So parents, if you're out there, check those messages. All right, love you.